So getting into immersive experiences, and you've seen examples like this. This is London fashion retailer, and in the basement they have this immersive room that you can put in. You can host events, and when there are no events, it's just an exhibition. So again, it uses LED, it uses mirrors, it uses the floor, it uses light, sound, all these elements to orchestrate this immersive experience. And this is another one you might not think of as an immersive experience, but it actually is, because it uses all these elements again to create this experience. And sports is an experience. And last but not least, that's the last example here. It's esports arena in Riyadh, in Saudi. And all the walls here are covered with LED. Investment in LED is huge, but they can convert the whole space in whatever they want. There's a stage, but there's also the gaming area, everything covered with LED. They show stats, they show leaderboards, they show everything here on LED, and even the ceiling is LED. So you can actually turn the space into anything you like.